Well, good Monday morning, friends. I'm Sylvia, the crafty old lady, and today I'm working on day 17 of the Junk Journal July Challenge, hosted by Meg Journals and Get Messy Art. Today's prompt was pause, and last night I was racking my brain to figure out what I could do for pause, and then I thought of pausing in your life, like a day, taking a day or even just an hour or whatever, to pause a moment and just relax, chill out, enjoy the moment. Enjoy some beautiful scenery, enjoy beautiful colors. And to me, that is being out in a lake, outdoors somewhere, by a river, by an ocean, anything like that. And I found this, and then my beautiful Monet washi tapes. I even found this quote, and I think I've found it before, but I refound it. Life is so much better when we enjoy the perfect moment of now. I thought that was perfect for this prompt. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to backtrack in my journal a little bit, cover this page up with some white cardstock, because when I put the washi tape on, I want it to really show and shine. I'm going to put this kind of in the middle this way, and yes, it is a little bit bigger. I think I might cut the green off and kind of frame it with the washi tapes, and then I'll figure out a spot to put my little quote. And so that is what I am going to do. Get my little cutter out, and I have to say that in my pursuit of keeping this challenge simple, much simpler this year, I am not loving my my pages that much, but it is what it is. Life has changed a lot for us in the last, actually just the last week, and kids visit us in the summer, and we have a lot of family get-togethers in the summer, and we just don't have the time this year to do everything, all out, to go all out on my prompts and challenges and stuff. But I do love the challenge. So I do believe I enjoyed Junk Journal January more, because the holidays have been over, and everything is settling back down to normal. Everything is quiet again. I don't have other things I'd rather be doing most of the time, other than seeing my grandchildren. That I still do in the winter. Okay, so that's going to go there. And I think I'm just going to put a few strips of washi tape down on either side. And it looks like maybe I should put some here. So what I can do is start out with something like this to go around. Maybe blue. Maybe, what about even thinner? Because that would be perfect, the perfect size. So I think pink is not really the color though to go, but blue is. So we'll use that blue. Oh, there is even a green one. I think we'll stick with blue. And the first thing I'm going to do is mark off, I think, where it is, because I don't want to glue it down first. I'm just going to mark it where I'm going to put the washi tape. There we go. And I think I probably want to be a little more precise. I don't know. I don't know if I'm going to be able to to get it exactly right. That looks good. Okay. Do this. I think something's going on in the other room. My husband's kind of pacing. I don't know what. Oh, I think I made this too long. I got distracted. Let's see. Okay. That one was perfect. Now up here. Okay, that one's down a little bit too low. I feel like it's crooked. Alright, I'm going to fix this one offline. Alright, so I got that situated. Now I just have to figure out the rest of my tapes, washi tapes that I'm going to use. I think they have some greens in them, like this would be perfect. And I'm also wondering if I want to do it exactly the same on the top and the bottom, and I think I do. So let's get this down. Yeah, I think I am going to make it the same on the top and the bottom. Oops. Okay. I like that this little painting is kind of blurred, like a Monet is kind of, although it does not look like a Monet, that's for sure, but there we go. I think that's a little crooked too. There. And there's actually 12 of these little portraits, or, well, landscapes, I should say, because they were from a calendar. I forgot I had them because it's been years. Alright, and next, what shall we do? This one would be pretty. Yeah, let's do this one. This is one of my favorites. This one and this one. These are my favorites. This one is a close second. So we'll get that on there. And then we need to figure out where to put the quote. We'll do it. And unfortunately, I did not place the picture in the exact middle of the page, so there's a little space left on the bottom here that is not going to be left on the top. So I think we'll just leave it white. This is my idea of pausing, taking a moment to enjoy the moment, because it's so hard to do sometimes. Get so busy with life. This is pause. Alright. I'm probably going to put this on a little tiny background of something and put it right there. I think so. It kind of looks like, you know how paintings in museums have that little metal plate on the bottom? That's what that's reminding me of. I think I'm going to ink it in black on the edges and figure out what I'm going to put behind it now. Alright, so I had decided to put the little quote on this fabric, little dark blue fabric background. I was going to use this, but I felt that it just matched too much with the washi tape under it, and it was going to just be hidden. So I decided to go with the blue, and I'm going to put that right there. And that'll be it. I put the number of the prompt, and that's all I'm going to do because I don't want to cover up the prettiness of the page too much. I normally was putting the date and sometimes the prompt's name, but for this one I'm just going to leave it at 17, and that is going to be it. I'll give you a little bit of a close-up. Here is my interpretation of Pause. A beautiful day on the river. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate all your support and your comments and your likes. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. I hope you're having a wonderful day. We're having a beautiful day here so far. Picking up our daughter from the airport soon. And we're just going to have a great day. And I hope you're happy, healthy, and well. We'll see you again tomorrow. Tomorrow's prompt is, well, hopefully I'll see you again tomorrow. But tomorrow's prompt is favorite supply. And that is definitely going to be a hard one for me because I have so many favorites. Bye-bye.